Yeah, there's 4 left in the showcase. If anyone wants to get that full, I'll absolutely do it tonight. Someone said if it gets to 1 left, they'll buy it. But this is, that's it there. $600 a spot. There's a break filling it. It will 100% go tomorrow. All right. 5 times, here we go. We're going to find out who wins the Texans. Because this is Texas, Beyonce. Oh, Maggie's an idiot, mate. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Lions. 5 times. Lions on top. Let's find out who's Lion. Lions are with Joshua Cummins. Let's hope he hits something nice. Not just Cummins. It's going to be very cool. I'm very excited for it. It's so close. Is that what it says, Magda? Does it say ruptured his nuts? I think it says testicle. You're allowed to say the word testicle, Magda. Jared Goff. Nick Bosa. And hey, that's nice. Number to 50 for the Dolphins. Jason Taylor. Who's got the Dolphins? I like that. Oh, I closed it off, you idiot. Dolphins. Panda, congratulations. Will Anderson, Josh Downs. Murray Cooper, DeAndre Swift, Brock Purdy, gold. Tank Dell, Jaron Holt. Kieran Williams, Evan Ingram, purple to 109, Micah Parsons. Don't with this Clayton Tune. Yeah, you got him. Congratulations. I have made this pack unopenable. Oh no, there we go. Will do. Travis Kelce, B-Rob, and a Matt Judon throwback. And O'Connell, Bryce Young. And that is CD 21493. It's a huge break. Oh no. Keep it tight, Pikey.